Tired of overpaying for your favorite shows? I'm about to show you how to unlock a significant discount on YouTube TV if you're a member of the military community. First, head over to tv.youtube.com in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into the Google account you want to use for your YouTube TV subscription. Next, click on your profile picture or initial located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now, navigate to the Membership tab. You'll see your current plan details here. Look for a section that mentions military discount. If you don't see it, there will be an option to learn more about eligibility and how to apply. It might say something like Get the military discount or Verify military status. Click on that link. You'll be redirected to Adopt.me, a trusted third-party verification service. If you already have an Adopt.me account, sign in. If not, you'll need to create one and verify your military status. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully, providing the required documentation. Once your military status is successfully verified through Adopt.me, you will be redirected back to YouTube TV. You should now see the discount applied to your account. Your next billing cycle will reflect the discounted rate. Enjoy saving money and happy watching.